In this video, I am going to show you 9 text effect animation in Kinemaster. Hello and welcome back to Rustic. In this video, I am going to show you 9 text effects in Kinemaster. So without further ado, let's get started. To get started, first import your file. So this is my main file, and here since I had one logo, in order to hide that logo, I have applied a black background here. Even though this text has some kind of animation, but still it looks static and boring. In order to make it interesting, we are going to see 9 effects which we can add to our text effect to make it more interesting. You can use these effects in your intro videos or any other videos that you are working on. So let's see how we can do that. In order to add an effect in Kinemaster, go to Layers and select this effect. When you get this, then search for anaglyph slide. So when you click on this, click to this and then check this effect by clicking here. You can see the effect is applied on this area. Now let's play and see what is the result of this effect. So you can see now our effect is more interesting than before. You can reduce the size. So after applying this effect, your viewer will get more attention toward your text. So this was our first effect. Now let's add the second effect. In order to add an effect, go to Layers and then click on this effect. Then search for interference. This is the effect. Click on this effect. Now reduce the size of the effect. And let's see how it is. You can trim this effect in this way. Drag this effect and make few adjustments. Let's see now. So yes, this is also a very cool effect for your intro videos. Now, the third effect is pixel slip. In order to add that, go to Layers, add an effect and search for pixel slip. So this is the effect. Click to this effect and then check to this. Now let's see how it is. So it looks awesome. So the fourth effect is color inversion. Go to Layers, add an effect and search for color inversion. This is the effect. Click to this. So what this effect has done, all the colors which were in the black, it has turned to white, and which all the text were in white, it has turned to black. See, this is the result of this effect. So this is also a very cool effect which you can use it. The next effect is prismatic dissolve. In order to add that, go to Layers, add an effect and search for prismatic. Click to this, decrease the length of the effect so that we can get the result faster. Effect number 6 is scan wave. Go to Layers, add an effect and search for scan waves. So this is the effect. Click to this, decrease the length of this effect. Now let's see. Now you can see my file is finished. In order to duplicate that file, first increase the length of your background. Now click to this our main file and then from this 3 dots select duplicate. Now drag this here. So we get a duplicate layer of that file. Effect number 7 is Mirage. In order to add that effect, go to Layers, add an effect and search for Mirage. So this is the effect. Click here and add it. Reduce the length of the effect and now you can see the effect. Now, effect number 8 is Sketch Black 2.0. In order to add that, go to Layers, add an effect. So this is Sketch 2.0. Select this effect and click to this. Now the last effect is Cell Shades. In order to add that effect, go to Layers, go to Effects and search for Cell Shades. This is the effect. Click here and you will get the result. Decrease the length of the effect. Now we can cut this. Now let's see all the effects that we have added. Let's play and see. So in this way you can make your text more interesting by adding some effects to it, and it is very easy to add it. Now if you are not finding any of the effect which I have applied here, so in order to download that, go to this shop button. Now it will take you to the Kinemaster Assist store. From here you can see this icon. This is the effect icon. From here there are many effects which you can use it. So I have used this Sketch 2.0 effect. It is available here, and see in my phone it is showing installed, means I have already installed it. Now let's see how you can download any effect if you are not finding. So suppose I have to download this effect, I will click to it and I will click to this download button. Now it will download it. So it is download and installed to my phone. Now when I will go in Kinemaster and I will search for that effect, I will get it. So in this way I have downloaded all the effects from the Assist store of Kinemaster. See, this was the effect that I have downloaded. Now let's see how it is. If you want to delete that effect, you can delete it from here. So I hope you understood this video. If you do so, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Rustic Blooms. Press the bell icon for the future updates.